It was an emotional day in Ilaro, Ogun State, as family, friends, fans, and colleagues gathered to bid a final farewell to veteran Nollywood actor Taiwo Hassan, popularly known as Ogugu. The 66-year-old actor was laid to rest on Monday, August 24th, according to Islamic rites, just a day after his death. Several prominent Nollywood stars were present at the burial to honor the late actor and show their support for his family. Among those who attended were veteran actor Jide Kosoko, Fathia Balogun, Kemi Korede, Femi Adebayo, Iya Saje, Faliwe, Mr. Latin, Habe Larry, Bukky Wright, and Toyosi Adesanya. Also present were Irisi Osayemi and Bisi Omolugbaluba, alongside several other actors, friends, and well-wishers who came to pay their final respects.
Pavilion. Come on. Hey, brother, let's take it easy.
Good morning, but everybody got test.
Sheriff Hussein. More space. Ẹ pè Fájíà náà. Wọ́n máa ń sọ nìyẹn kò ń gbé fóònù. Àti tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí kò ń gbé fóònù. Níbi ẹ̀wẹ̀ yín wọ́n mélé ẹ̀. Níbi ẹ̀wẹ̀ yín ẹ̀ wọ́n kò gbé fóònù. Níbi more space. More space. Ẹ má fẹ́ yìnyín, ẹ má ṣubú o. Ẹ má fẹ́ yìnyín. Hey, live there.
wọ́n ti ń bọ̀ ìjà máa ń lọ.
Media, let's give more space. Let's give more space. Hello, are you with us? Hello, Emma Joshua. Emma Joshua. Hey, I guess
One of the most emotional moments came when Ogugo's close friend and colleague, Yinka Quadri, was seen in tears as mourners gathered around him and tried to console him. The presence of so many Nollywood stars reflected the impact Ogugo had on the Yoruba film industry throughout his more than 4-decade career. His colleagues came not only to mourn his passing, but also to celebrate the legacy of a man who contributed greatly to the growth of Yoruba language cinema. As Taiwo Hassan Ogugo takes his final rest in his hometown of Ilaro, his colleagues have once again shown that his legacy goes far beyond the movies he made. May his soul rest in Al-Jannah Firdaus. Which of this Nollywood star would you have expected to see at Ogugo's burial? What is your favorite Taiwo Hassan Ogugo's movie? Let's know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nigeria News TV for more updates. We'll continue to keep you updated. Please stay tuned to Nigeria News TV.